Now to a big update from Houston's bus and train system. 2 Metro employees caught the virus and they're making changes to their routes. Anieli Ruiz is live with that part of the story.
That's right, Xavier. We know that 2 employees tested positive for COVID-19. One of those employees is a Metro Lift employee. He was last at work on Thursday. The second is a bus operator, and that person was last at work on Wednesday. Now, here are the routes that we know that the bus operator took. Now, Metro says he drove the 412 Green Link Circulator route from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. from March 8th through the 13th, and again from the 16th through the 20th and the 23rd. He also drove the Fuquay Park ride on March 24th and 25th. Metro is working on identifying and notifying those who rode the bus, but they're asking anyone on these routes to monitor themselves for possible symptoms for the next 14 days. Now, if you develop any symptoms, you should self-isolate from others and contact your healthcare provider. The buses used by the driver who tested positive have been temporarily removed from service for additional sanitation. Metro tells us that they're also increasing their cleaning and disinfecting of all buses. Now, because of this, Metro is reducing its routes. All park and ride routes are suspended except those that serve the medical center. Local bus routes will continue to run on a modified Saturday schedule 7 days a week. Metro Rail will run on a Sunday schedule, and all hot lanes are closed. Now, again, this could mean some delays for some commutes, so plan accordingly. But of course, we have all of this information posted on our website. Guys, back to you.